Good morning. In this video, I would like to share with you my approach to storing my digital photos and videos that I've collected over the years. So with smartphones and digital cameras easily available now, the number of photos and videos accumulated have increased a lot. So it is good to have an approach to backing them up, to storing them, and this is what we will be covering in this video. Lately, Google has announced that it is ending unlimited free storage for digital photos and videos. But the caveat is they will only start imposing this from 1st June the year 2021. So essentially this means that you have until June 2021 free unlimited photo and video uploads. Google actually announced in 2015 free unlimited uploads of high quality photo files. However, at that time their software is not entirely user friendly, and I did not really use it until recently. So why do we back up photos and videos? Because they bring back memories. Okay, so I've had bad experiences where my hard disk was corrupted and I lost a lot of files here. I've also experienced house break-in and my external hard disk was stolen. So when Google Photos announced free unlimited uploads, it's of high quality photo files. Okay, so what does this mean? High quality as in 16 megapixel JPEGs, which translates to about 15 by 11 inches if you print it out. What does high quality file means? It means all your photos will be uploaded at this size, 16 megapixel JPEGs. So if you were to print out this photo, it will be 15 by 11 inches at 300 dpi, dots per inch resolution. Or by SI units, it's 39 cm by 29 cm size. I don't really print my photos nowadays, but it's good to know. All videos will be uploaded at Full HD 1080p, and all RAW files will be automatically converted to compressed JPEGs. So only recently I found Google Photo to be extremely useful. Both the search engine and face recognition AI is very accurate, and it helps in you're looking through tons and tons of photos. And the uploading, they've also made it very easy, where the conversion of all your files, encoding, is all done on the fly. So you do not really have to worry about converting them first. You can just upload whatever you have and they will convert it for you. Of course, Google changes its policies ever so often, so it is also good to have a on alternative backup plan. Okay, so what I do is I back up my photos on two separate hard disks, 1 TB each, two different places, work and at home. So even if you lose your photos at home, you still have a backup copy at work. I've spent the last few days uploading most of my photos from my hard disk. So I reckon I've uploaded about 750 gigs of files. Then when I looked at the storage that I've used up, you can see that it is only about 0.03 gigs. So whatever you upload now will not take up your Google Drive. Of course, I'm keeping my fingers crossed that Google will not change their policy anytime soon, but I will of course also continue using my external hard disk as a alternative backup. But it's all like comforting to know that most of my photos are now in the cloud. Download the app from this website and then choose backup and sync and click on the download link. Okay, agree and download. So you can save the file, and after you've downloaded, just install the file. So once you've installed backup and sync, you will find this icon on the taskbar on your right hand side, and you can see the status of the backup and sync. You can click on this icon to set your preferences. Okay, you can set your preferences here, or you can pause the backup. Once you click on the preferences, you'll see this. You can set the folders that you want to back up. So I only back up my pictures here, and it's important that you click on this. Never remove both copies. I'll tell you why. And also to upload newly added photos and videos to Google Photo. So what I'll do is I will copy folders of pictures that I want to upload into my pictures folder, and then I will back them up. Once it's backed up, you'll see this green tick here, and for those that are still being backed up, you'll see this symbol. Once you have uploaded your photos, what I do is I'll delete this from my PC and I'll upload new ones. So I'm not going to populate my PC with lots of files, but I will be able to upload new files every time I put them in this folder. That's why you tick this option and also tick this, so that whatever files you deleted from your pictures folder will not be deleted from your Google Drive. So with using this approach, you'll be able to back up a lot of photos, a lot of videos, and at least you have a copy on the cloud. I hope this helps.